Welcome again, lad students. In this brief episode, what I want to share with you are some of the features that you have probably identified in Audioboo. Okay, first, as Emmanuel mentioned, it's a great site for socializing. It allows me to follow people, as you can see on your screen, and being followed. You can also organize the people you follow and create boards. Like right now, I created a board with your posts. So far, I have 7 people in this board. So in that way, although I have been following my students and many other people, I can put them like in categories. Also, what I like about Audioboo is that it allows me to download the files real easily using this icon, which corresponds to iTunes. So in this next unit, Unit 2, you will learn about iTunes and how to use it. But in the meantime, what I want to show you is that once you have downloaded the program, it's very easy to have the posts from different persons that you're following, that you have subscribed to, have their recordings and use them offline. And once you have them offline, obviously the next step would be to have them on your portable device. So that means that you can listen to them on the go, anywhere, anytime. And that's what's great about podcasts. Okay, what else is important? I just want to mention that when I started using Audible, was one of the criteria that we usually consider when selecting websites is their stability. How long will they be free? How strong and useful are they and user friendly? In this case, I came across Audioboo about 2 years ago when I started using this project called the Listening Project. It's by the BBC, and one thing that I realized, by the way, it's very interesting. People from around England, they write their conversations, they tell their stories, etc. I'm not so sure that it can be like a great idea for very young students, especially because sometimes their command of the language is not so so advanced as to understand everything that they can listen to from authentic sources. But one of the things that I notice is that, let me show you, is that they use for creating this massive historical recordings of people's lives around the United Kingdom. They use Audible. And so you say, well, if they're using this to create files that will be kept as a sample of social life in a country, well, the tool must be solid. It's not going to disappear. It must be strong enough to hold lots and lots of files, etc. And yes, it's a great place to store. So if you have any time, please check the Listening Project so that you can find interesting life stories from all around the United Kingdom. Well, this next week you will have your next challenge, which is downloading your iTunes library, discovering podcasts in the different sections of the iTunes library right here once you have downloaded it. Remember that you can explore here in the section of podcasts and also here in iTunes U. And you will see that it has lots and lots of interesting video and audio podcasts. And the great part is that they're free and you can download them and share them with your students and continue learning about podcasts. Okay, well, enjoy your week and I'll be ready to check your progress. Have a nice weekend and see you next week. Bye for now.